I was in the army, I still had a wife, which only meant I couldn't have a life. No running to town or Virginia Beach, all that fun and games was out of my reach. So when Saturday came, I would volunteer to keep me busy and not drink so much beer. I did all sorts of things, some were even fun, but one day he walked in, my fun was done. He needed a crewman to test his bird. I was so bored I hadn't really heard. Next thing I knew, I was strapped in the back. That helo took off so fast I nearly crapped. This old boy really knew his stuff, but for his flying, I had had enough. We skimmed the treetops so close it seemed, and in the headphones his superior ring. Then he banked and dropped low. I didn't know which way my lunch would go, and as he turned that helo around, he flew so close to the ground. By now you'd think I might have passed out, but I knew a story like this would give me some clout. When we landed, he took all blame, but that colonel, he'll remember my name. I wasn't brave, I wasn't brash, but I quickly vomited in the trash. They all laughed, and in my sad way, I changed the mood and saved the day. I wasn't brash, I wasn't brave, and in my sad way, I saved the day.